Hi friends, now we are going to see about how to do Palak rice for babies so from 6 months to 2 years. First we have to clean the uh, palak, and we have to chop into pieces. Then we have to take 2 tablespoons of rice and 2 teaspoon of tur dal, and then we have to add the chopped palak leaves, and then we have to add salt, and we have to pour the water, and we have to add the ghee. Then we have to cook it for around 4 whistles. For palak we have to take a handful of palak, that is enough for 2 tablespoons of rice. Now after we cooked it for 4 whistles, we have to mash it in the masher. See, if the baby can't swallow, you can grind it in the mixer grinder, or else you can use this mashed rice itself. See, since it's cooked very well, it gets mashed very easily with the masher. No need to put extra effort. So here the palak rice is ready. See, the palak leaves itself is very nutritious, so it's very good for health. Plus, it has tur dal, which is high in protein, so it's very good for growing babies. So you can give it to your babies from 6 months onwards. You can add ghee while giving it to the baby. Since it smells and tastes good, you can give it to the baby. For babies, we can add ghee if they wish. Thank you.